Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To get black frosting using icing colors, we suggest using our chocolate decorator icing as your base, rather than white buttercream. Simply add black icing color to the chocolate icing using a toothpick or knife. Continue adding until you achieve your desired shade. 11 September 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Depending upon the brand of coloring you use, you could run into a problem with the tint of your black frosting. If your frosting looks a little green, add red coloring, 1 drop at a time until it's black. If it holds a more purple look, add green coloring, 1 drop at a time. 30 September 2011.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Mixing food coloring. Buy red, blue, and green food coloring. You can mix these colors to make a dark gray, which is about as close as you can get without buying black food coloring. If you're making icing or frosting, use gel or paste food coloring.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Method 1. Eggs whites are a great way to shine up your fondant, and they usually dry within 2 hours if you need a quick shiny fix. Method 2. Add 1 part vodka, and 1 part corn syrup. You will need a brush to paint this mixture onto your fondant with a very thin layer, so it has a better chance of drying well.
Take our lead.
If you don't have black food coloring or want to avoid using black, you can use complementary colors, such as red and green, yellow and purple, or blue and orange. Adding more red, yellow or orange will give it more of a warm, gray tone, whereas adding more blue, green or purple will give it a more cool, gray tone.
Let's help you make your mark.
Add a very small amount of red to the yellow icing and mix until combined. If you dip a toothpick 1 inch deep in yellow food coloring gel, dip only the tip of a toothpick in the red food coloring gel. Add a trace amount of green food coloring gel, if desired, to give the gold color an aged look.
Take our lead.
Mix your 3 secondary colors. If you are using natural dyes, you may need to use more of each color. Take yellow and combine it with red to create orange. Take red and combine it with blue to make purple. Take blue and combine it with yellow to make green.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.